Alright, I'm working on the 1989 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe. And I do have one of the ball joints correctly installed. I just put the lug nuts on because I'm going to replace that bad tire that got damaged when the ball joint failed. But this is all looking good. Ball joints properly seated. I'll be kind of hard to see there, but anyway, it's in there really good. It turned out very good. Very happy with it. So I did get started on the second one, but I just got it torn down and I got it set on the block. I'm now prepared in a good position to press it out. And I came up with the idea of setting it on the blocks. I don't know, just for me it seems to work the best. You know, you still gotta well, it's just a nice way for it to work when you're working with it, because you got this set pretty level here. So then you can get your press on there and do what needs to be done. And everything else is out of the way. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.